Hello student, this is the second video of chapter number 7, that is 7.1 triangles. So here in this question number 2, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equal to BC and angle BAD equal to angle CBA. We have to prove that Roman number 1, triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC, BD equal to AC and angle ABD equal to angle BAC. We have to prove these three equation in this question number 2. So given ABC is a quadrilateral in which AD equal to BC and angle BAD equal to angle CBA. So these are the two things given in this quadrilateral. We have to prove that Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3 we have to prove. Okay, so let's prove. So in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, we can see here the triangle which we are going to prove, that is Roman number 1. What is ABD? ABD, this triangle, and the other triangle is BAC. These two triangles we have to prove congruent. So for better viewing, if I erase this, you will be able to see more properly the two triangles. So now we can easily prove congruent to these two triangles. So we have to prove these two triangles congruent. So for proving two triangles congruent, as I have solved in the last question, in the first video of this chapter, question number 1, how to prove congruent, we have to show any of the three parts of these two triangles are equal. So let's begin. Let's see what are the three things are equal of these two triangles. So AD equal to BC as it was given in the question, and what is the next thing? The next thing BAD and one more CBA, this angle. So this angle and this angle of these two triangles are equal as it is given in your question. So BAD equal to angle CBA given. This is also given. So proving the two triangles congruent, we need three equal parts. Now what is the third part of that means the third equal parts of these two triangles is that we have to see the figure and we have to find. So what is that? AB. So AB is the common side. We can see easily here in these two triangles, the side AB is common for both the two triangles. So we can write AB equal to AB, that is common side. So we have found, therefore triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. Now by what is the postulate, we can see same here also, the two side and one angle, that is by the postulate SAS. What is SAS? Side angle sine. So Roman number 1 we have proved the two triangles are congruent. Now Roman number 2. So the Roman number 2 we have to prove BD equal to AC. We have to prove BD equal to AC. So it is very easy. Now you just see in the figure, BD and the side AC are the two sides which are from the two triangle, the triangle which you have proved congruent. So BD equals to AC by CPCT. CPCT, I hope everyone you know, corresponding part of congruent triangle. As we have proved the two triangles congruent, and the part BD and the part BC are the two part which belongs from the two triangle which are already I have proved congruent. So these two sides are equal by CPCT, that is corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, Roman 1 and Roman 2 is over. I hope everyone have understand. Roman number 3. Roman number 3, I want please you solve by yourself. If you can't, I will solve sure in my next video. But I hope if you try at home, it will be better for yourself. Thank you.